Welcome back, garden enthusiasts and potato lovers. In today's video, we're focusing on growing red potatoes in raised beds. We'll explain why raised beds are effective for controlling soil quality and managing pests, and we'll demonstrate how to plant and maintain your red potatoes in raised beds. Let's get started. Raised beds offer several advantages for growing red potatoes. First, soil quality control. Raised beds allow you to control the soil quality more effectively. You can fill them with the best soil mix for potatoes, ensuring good drainage and nutrient content. Second, pest management. Raised beds help reduce pest problems. The elevated height makes it harder for pests to reach your plants, and you can easily add protective covers. Here's how to plant your red potatoes in raised beds. First, soil preparation. Fill the raised bed with a well-draining soil mix. Incorporate compost or organic matter to enrich the soil. Second, planting depth. Dig holes about 4 inches deep and place the seed potato pieces with the eyes facing up. Cover them with soil. Maintaining your red potatoes in raised beds is straightforward. First, keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Raised beds tend to drain well, so, check the moisture level regularly. Next, as the potato plants grow, add more soil to the raised bed, covering the lower stems and leaves. This encourages the development of more tubers. Growing red potatoes in raised beds is an effective method for controlling soil quality and managing pests. By following these planting and maintenance tips, you can enjoy a healthy and productive potato harvest. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll explore more gardening methods. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips and eco-friendly ideas. Happy gardening!